Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious coleslaw without carrots. We'll focus on creating a vibrant, flavorful side dish that's perfect for any meal. You'll learn to select the best cabbage, prepare it properly, and whip up a creamy, tangy dressing. This recipe is simple, quick, and guarantees a refreshing twist on a classic. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, carrot-free coleslaw that everyone will love. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cabbage. Take one medium head of cabbage and shred it very thinly. A mandolin slicer can help achieve beautifully uniform pieces, ensuring a consistent texture. After shredding, sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of salt over the cabbage and let it sit for 10 minutes. This step draws out excess moisture. Then, rinse the cabbage thoroughly and dry it completely with paper towels or a salad spinner. This ensures your coleslaw stays wonderfully crisp. Now for the heart of our coleslaw, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a lovely tang. Next, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar to balance the flavors with a touch of sweetness. Whisk in 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed for that classic coleslaw aroma. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Mix until smooth and well combined. With your cabbage prepped and dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Gently pour the creamy dressing over the dried cabbage. Using a large spoon or tongs, carefully fold the dressing into the cabbage until every piece is evenly coated. Avoid overmixing to keep the cabbage crisp. For best results, cover the coleslaw and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve this refreshing side dish alongside your favorite barbecue or fried chicken, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.